What is the balance on my Apple gift card?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to help you figure out how to check the balance on your Apple gift card. This is an essential task if you want to make purchases but aren't sure about the remaining value on your card.
What you need to check your balance?
First things first, you will need your Apple gift card and an Apple device. This could be an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. If you don't have an Apple device, don't worry, you can also check this on the Apple website via any desktop or laptop.
Checking the balance on your device.
To check the balance on your Apple device, you need to navigate to the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, tap on your account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From here, tap on View Apple ID, then scroll down to find the Apple Account Balance section. Here, you'll be able to see the remaining balance on your Apple gift card.
Checking the balance on Apple's website.
If you're checking from a computer, you can also verify the balance on your gift card on the Apple website. To do this, you'll need to sign in with your Apple ID on Apple's website, then navigate to the Account Management page. Here, you'll find a section called Apple Account Balance, where your gift card balance should be displayed. And that's it. You've learned how to check the balance on your Apple gift card. Remember, knowing the remaining balance can help you plan your purchases effectively and avoid any surprise charges. We hope this guide was helpful and we'll see you in our next video tutorial.